Chapter 13, Lesson 5. This deals with zeros in the product. So these answers are going to have a lot of zeros in them. What we want to do though is just look at the numbers, multiply them, and then we can add zeros later. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we have is 0.8 times 0.05. What we want to do first is let's just look at the numbers, 8 and 5. Let's take those out, multiply those, and get 40. Then we want to look back at our numbers. We have one decimal place here. We have two decimal places here for a total of 3. So we have to move our decimal 3 places to the left. So we'll start here and go 1, 2, 3. So we have to add that 0. So your answer, again, once we have zeros at the end of the problem, we don't need them. So your answer would just be 0.04 or 4 hundredths. So we don't have to go ahead and go 40 and carry that, bring down the 4, add a 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. I mean, that's just too much work to do. Take out the numbers, multiply them, add your zeros after. Here we have 0.2 times 0.4. Again, take out your numbers, multiply them and get 8. I have one place here. I have one decimal place here for a total of 2 because we only have one number behind the decimal and one number behind the decimal. So I'm going to move my decimal 2 places to the left, which means I'm going to have to add a 0 and go 1, 2. So my answer is 0.08 or 8 hundredths. Here we have 7.1 times 0.003. It's a lot of numbers. I'm just going to take my 7.1 and multiply it times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Now I look at my decimal places. I have 1 here. I've got 3 there. So I have to move my decimal places 4 places to the left. So I'm going to start over here and go 1, 2, 3, add a 0, 4. So my answer would be 0.0213. It's a lot easier than going and multiplying 1 times 0, 7 times 0. Just get the zeros out, multiply your digits, add them after you're done. Let's look at tonight's homework. Let's look at number 3. We have 0.005 times 0.3. I'm just going to multiply my 5 times 3 and get 15. I've got 3 places here and 1 place here, so that's a total of 4 places to the left. So I know I'm going to have 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer for number 3 would be 0.0015.